The Barrett Model 99, loaded with the .416 cartridge, is a one-hit wonder. The ultimate rifle needs the ultimate ammunition, and for sheer velocity, the .416 cartridge is hard to beat.
This bullet leaves the barrel approximately 3,300 feet per second, which is phenomenal.
It is effectively a very long, very heavy bullet, which helps it cut through the wind very well.
Until now, cartridge design was based on a simple principle. The heavier the bullet, the longer the range. Chris Barrett of Barrett Firearms was prepared to challenge that rule.
The challenges of designing the .416 round were many-fold, from the design of the actual cartridge, the geometry of the cartridge itself, its capacity, the bullet design, of course, and then coming up with the proper, the powder, the propellant that actually drives that bullet.
The most common high-velocity round, the .762, can travel out to 800 meters. The bigger .50 caliber round can hit targets out to 2,000 meters. But what if a smaller, lighter cartridge could go further with greater accuracy?
The faster we can start this projectile, the longer we can maintain that speed and carry that weight to the target, the better its effect will be at range.
Chris and his team concentrated their efforts on making the bullet fly faster and more efficiently, while keeping its weight to a minimum.
The .416, with its increased speed and flatter trajectory, makes engaging targets of a smaller size at further distance much more achievable.
It extends the range of the normal sniper almost 1,000 meters.
Laura Getch is a sharpshooter with first-hand experience operating a variety of weapon systems.
This is the Model 99 Barrett in .416, and it's a lot of fun to shoot.
The Barrett Model 99 is a precision weapon, perfectly suited to an expert markswoman.
It's a single-shot bolt-action rifle. It produces just a very gentle push to your shoulder.
And if you're only getting one shot, then you better make it count.
The high accuracy that you achieve with the .416 Barrett assures that you will hit your target on the first shot. There's very little delay between pulling the trigger and hitting your target.
Because it reaches the target faster, the round is more accurate.
The bullet is at target quite a bit quicker than a .50 caliber. It's sheer velocity.
And because it's faster, it minimizes the effect of external factors.
Wind, atmospheric conditions, weather become very critical to your point of impact. You're going to experience less atmospheric conditions, less wind drift between you and the target.
Most .50 cal rounds drop to below the speed of sound in less than a mile. The .416 stays supersonic for more than half that distance again.
The .416 is still supersonic at 2,500 meters. Generally, the .50 caliber round is subsonic at 1,700 meters.
The .416 may be lighter and more aerodynamic than the .50 cal round, but it still has enough energy to make a big impact when it arrives.
After I'd spent so much time on the design of this cartridge, I was truly impressed the first time I was able to fire it. I was amazed at how fast, with the laser-like speed and trajectory, that this projectile was able to reach that target and hit with ease.
The 50-inch bolt-action Big Shot loses out on portability and rate of fire, but coupled with the high-speed .416 round, it scores top marks for range and stopping power.
The opportunity to engage targets that much farther than a normal sniper round makes it an ultimate weapon.
To be a true ultimate weapon, a sniper rifle must be able to cope with extreme conditions. From the mountains of Afghanistan, or tropical jungles, to dry, dusty desert, and the frozen Arctic tundra. The latest sniper rifles have to operate in all these conditions and still be able to take out strategic targets at long range.